How to fix WhatsApp call unavailable. Hey everyone, in this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to fix WhatsApp calling issues and resolve the call unavailable error step by step. If this helps you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more quick WhatsApp tutorials. First, check your internet connection and make sure you are connected to a stable Wi-Fi or mobile data network. Also, make sure that WhatsApp is up to date. Now, navigate back to Homepage, tap and hold the WhatsApp icon, and select App Info. There, make sure microphone and camera permissions are allowed for WhatsApp calling. After that, clear WhatsApp cache by tapping the Clear Data option. Tap on Clear Cache and confirm to remove temporary files that may cause calling issues. That should fix the issues. If the issue still persists, try reinstalling WhatsApp itself. And that's it. That's how you can fix WhatsApp call unavailable and restore calling easily.